What's going on, guys? It's your man Ed Hayes here, back for another quick update on that Krystal Davis scammer situation, guys. Just want to let y'all know, like, the newest update. So apparently on February 29th, she was actually arraigned. I believe it was an arraignment, or basically she had to do the preliminary exam. All right, so they went through the preliminary exam, and it looks like she's gonna be standing trial for her acting as an unlicensed CPA and an unlicensed real estate agent. It says today, Krystal Davis, 37 of Detroit, was bound over to the Third Circuit Court in Wayne County to stand trial on charges of operating as an unlicensed accountant and an unlicensed real estate agent, announced the Attorney General. All right, so anyway, but yeah, so y'all already know all of the updates. If y'all haven't heard of Krystal Davis before, this may be a little bit random. Check out the video card that I'll have above my head so you can check it out. Like, check out the previous videos where I was kind of going into details. But essentially, Krystal Davis, aka Chrissy Nicole, aka Krystal Card, has been infamous out in the Detroit area and outside of Detroit. Allegedly scamming people, taking their money for different products and services and stuff like that, and just things just weren't right. Let's put it like that. So it looks like they've got her, though, because they have like actual written communications, or like electronic communications between her and one of the victims, I guess you can say, where she's basically telling them that she's a licensed CPA and she's not actually a licensed CPA. The unlicensed CPA is a felony, and it's a 5-year felony, and they may have her dead to rights on that one. So it's looking like there's finally going to be some retribution for her actions after all of this time, guys. Allegedly. So, but yeah, so the Attorney General seems like they're doing their job, and it says Davis will next appear before the Third Circuit Court for Circuit Court arraignment at 9 a.m. on March 14th. So that's about 10 days from the day of me recording this. So guys, definitely be on the lookout. If you're out there in Detroit, you probably want to pull up to the actual arraignment and just see what happens on March 14th or whatever. Who knows what's going to happen? If I'm not mistaken, based off Rob Walcheck's, shout out to the Hall of Fame, his video, he stated that she was able to get out on $100,000 bond or something like that. So long story short, I think that she's probably still out, and she'll have to go back to court on the 14th. So we shall see what happens with that situation. But guys, I ended up finding, like, I was doing a little Google search trying to find more information on this case, and came across this Facebook group called Surviving Krystal Davis. I was like, oh, snaps. Inside of this group, though, it's got 1.4K members up in here, and they was just going crazy inside of here. So it says, look, beware, she changed her quote unquote business name. So it's The Tax Fairy Co. So be aware of that, guys. If y'all watching this video, apparently she changed her company name. And then look, someone's in the comments says, I meet with the AG today. I'll be making her aware. That's crazy. That was 6 days ago and whatnot. So that's pretty interesting. Let's see. They asked him, did they catch the hearing today, et cetera, et cetera. Look, it says, if scam likely was a person. Oh, dang. They say they just going in on this lady. But yeah, like, y'all see it. Like, if y'all have, been harmed or hurt by Krystal or whatever, you may want to pop inside of this Facebook group as well. I saw some funny stuff inside of here personally. I was like, oh, snaps. This seems like an actual resource for people that have actually been scammed or hurt in any way, shape, or form and whatnot. So definitely check out this group as well. Anyway, though, guys, like I said, I'm not going to hold y'all here for long, man. I hope that y'all staying healthy and staying blessed out there. As always, I'm going to be making sure I keep a very keen eye on this situation. I will bring y'all all the updates as they come. We're going to keep our knee firmly placed on that neck until we actually find out what happens, guys. Hopefully, there will actually be some retribution and some justice served here today. So anyway, until next time, guys, check out these other videos if you want some other real estate news, some wholesaling news out here. And until next time, guys, we are out.